If you're thinking, what's an API? In simple words, it's like asking a question and getting an answer. It's as simple as that. Let's dig deep. First of all, an API full form is Application Programming Interface. In simple words, it acts as an interface between two applications. In technical words, if you ask for an data, it gives back the data which you asked for. Let me explain with an example. Consider you're going out and you check for weather report on Google and you get the details. What happens in background is you ask Google for the weather today and it makes a request to the external website database to get the data of the weather. So the database sends back the data to the Google and showing the weather report. So here's the code. Here we have written HTML, here it is CSS, here the jQuery JavaScript, and you get the output window here. So we have written a simple HTML right here for the structure, and we are given the class, so where to display the weather data. Here we write down the API. This is nothing but the API key which we get from the external site. How to get the key from external site? If you go to this site or any other site which provides an API and create an account, they give you an unique key so that it is only displayed for yourself, and you write down the code for the API here. So it fetches the data and display it to your screen with this HTML part. You can also code and make a good design with this, which HTML and CSS, and make a good design out of it. Let's talk about the pros and cons. You know, the pros, like it is very helpful. You can get the data from any other site and put it on your website and make it creative. And the cons I need to speak about, like some of the website charge heavily for their APIs, some of them are free, so it depends. Second con is adding a API adds another attack surface to your website, so security exposure, so you need to take care of the security thing. So if you like my way of teaching, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe, don't forget.